sorry for the delay and warm welcome also for the second day, as we have quite a complicated setup. There was some audio trouble. And I will just start with a quick recap of our first day, which we had yesterday. And it started with coming into the room, and you perfectly took seats as planned. Wonderful. And so this was the agenda for yesterday. And so it started with the mandatory COVID check. And the welcome with Olivier and Sandrine. Then afterwards we had the opening with Nicolas and me here. Then also Sebastian and Guillaume Gravier was giving opening words for the RISA. And then I was giving some introduction. Then we had the first keynote on IoT meets cyber and security. Then afterwards, you did a fabulous job in presenting your PhD posters, and I hope you had very nice discussions over the dinner yesterday already, not only, but maybe also related to your PhDs. And then we presented to you the 5 challenges that we'll be working on from tomorrow on. Then Josefine was giving a great keynote on data analytics, transforming data into value, and people participated also in the Slido. Then you had a lot of fun in the hands-on in the upper floor. And finally in the evening, we had a great evening with cozy lighting, as you can see, because you cannot see too much on the picture. And it was very nice and very good. So thanks a lot, Sandrine, for organizing it. And so that was yesterday. And today I want to start with another highlight. We have some welcome words by our department head, Jan Bunel, and he also wants to give you a warm welcome, and we give Jan a warm welcome by applauding him, and Jan, the floor is yours.
Good morning to everyone. Won't be very long because I heard that we have some delay with the program of today. Quite 1 hour of delay. Maybe it's because we are in another time schedule. In Germany, it's the same. It's the same time. Unfortunately, we cannot play with this. So I'm very glad to be there, and I'm very happy to welcome you for this second day of the Future IoT. Let's say summer winter school. And so I'm the head of the department, what is Network Systems, Cybersecurity and Digital Law in the Rennes campus of IMT Atlantic that hosts and organizes this school. As you can see, our department is at the carrefour of all the topics that is in interest today and these days, because we have 60% of our activity in the core networks, from cellular networks to IoT networks with vehicular networks, so all the networks that we can imagine in the in our days, and we have 30% of our activity that is dedicated to cybersecurity, and it's not some different silo, but it is in collaboration and with transversal activities. And here, as the topic of this school is perfectly fit with the activity of the department. And finally, 10% of our activity is with digital law, and because the society has changed actually with all the different evolution and revolution, if I can say, with the computer science and networks evolution in nowadays, and so ethics and law protection with data usage and and the right to oblivion is very important in our point of view. And so we have some lawyer and some manager inside the department that works for research in human science with the society of the new, let's say, social network society, if I can resume like that. So I'm very happy to be there. I hope that your first day yesterday was very cool and that you will enjoy all the next day, this fall next day, and that the challenge at the end of the week will be a great success. So welcome again in Rennes. Welcome again for all the people that is remotely following these schools, and enjoy your time. Thank you very much.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Jan, for the great welcome. And yeah, so the second day, we have a program again full of highlights, of course, for you. So yeah, as Jan said, we are a little bit behind schedule, so sorry for that. There were some technical problems, but now everything seems to be running. So yeah, today we have the Siemens Day, and we do everything about cybersecurity and the Internet of Things. And yeah, so let's dive directly into it. And this will be the program for the next days. And I just skip